Alright, so good afternoon everybody. I am in Toledo, Ohio, which is my hometown, and I am about to go eat lunch at what used to be one of my spots when I lived here. Still one of my favorite places to come and eat. Anytime I come to Toledo, I always eat here. It is Rudy's Hot Dog. This place has been in existence for, not sure the exact year it was founded, but it's got to be 100 years or over 100 years by now. And it's just a simple Greek style chili dogs or coney dogs with their sauce and onion and mustard, but damn are they good. All right, let's go inside and get some lunch.
Yeah, Brooklyn State.
So they had a combo special today it came with fries, a small drink, and 2 dogs. Their fries are always the best. I think their fries are the best fries I've ever had. I think they're better than even McDonald's. Because when you order them, they make them fresh, and then they bring them to your table. Mine's the works, well, minus the onion. A 100 years, going strong, still good.
Hey guys, look, it's a staring contest.
All right, so we just finished eating inside Rudy's. I gotta tell you, man, Rudy's has been killing it for 100 years. At the beginning of the video, I said I didn't know if they had been around 100 years or just over. It's actually been 100 years. They were founded in 1920. So they've been here for 100 years, and Rudy's, you are still killing it. Love you, Rudy's. God, I wish we had some Rudy's hot dog down in Florida where I'm at now. But anytime I come back to visit family or just to come back to Ohio in general, gotta hit up Rudy's, man. Must do, must do.